a little
just turn
more
this
extra.
off. Yeah, so yeah, let's go. There we go. And go at 24. And just look to the side here. Perfect. That's nice. When you bring your chin up, slightly up here, there, I want that glare in the glasses. Perfect. Bring your hair up as well. Lovely. And then if you want to wear your glasses, you can, but you can just put them down there. Oh, look at her, look, yes. Maybe even bring you down. Keep going, a little bit more. There we are. And then follow me. Perfect, I want that sun without my shadow on you. Oh, that's nice where you did that, laughing up. Perfect. Lovely. Let's have a lit right up. Perfect. Clean energy. I'm going to shoot so we get the house. That's it there. Perfect. Ah, it's so good. I'm going to shoot on film as well. I'll do that. Every time. Let's shoot some film. Yeah, we're filming. That's good. Perfect. Want to see?
Yeah.
I'm going to swear now. I was going to say, oh my fucking days. Look at you.
Oh my god.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Let's get some on film. You look like a fashionista, you know? I love it.